This is Harry Vocal, Sound of Australia, the voice off the street. High pressure job statistics. When we grew up, coppers, doctors, everybody was cut out for what they did for some reason. They were made for the job. Then we've got a whole generation or two that have loved their kids to death and told them you can be anything you want to be. And that's not necessarily true. So kids dream of being a paramedic or a cop, the army, and when they get in there, they do their uni, qualifications, everyone's patting them on the back, they're king of the hill, and the first job in that ambulance, there's a 9-month-old decapitated baby. I've worked in that environment, and that's what happens. And not every 18-year-old girl is cut out for it. And there's great lists of suicides and stress leave in all these, the police, paramedics, the army. So it's about time everyone just slowed up and had a look, and don't put the pressure on the kids to be whatever you want. Just be whoever you are. It worked all right for me. This is Harry Vocal.